Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. Today we are gonna visit my subscriber Tatiana and see how she organized her house. Tatiana is the mother of 3 small children and loves minimalism. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Let's begin with the first floor. This is the entrance to the kids' room. It's a rented house, so in order to decorate plain white walls, Tatiana put a children's world map sticker on it. It's great for this situation because it's easy to stick it and just as easy to peel it off. In case you are wondering where you can get a sticker like that for yourself, I asked Tatiana for a link, which I'll leave in the description below. Okay, now let's get to the actual entrance to the children's room. This is what the room looks like. Let's take a look inside this armoire and the chest of drawers. We'll start with the armoire. There are some toys on the top of it. While the children are small, the doors are secured with safety lock. You can't go without it if you want to maintain order in the armoire. This is where Tatiana keeps clothes for the kids to grow into and bedding. Everything is neatly sorted into categories in nice organizers. All children's clothes are kept downstairs near the front door for convenience, because the family lives in a hot climate and kids don't really need to wear much clothes at home. Next we are gonna look inside the chest of drawers. It contains toys, puzzles and building blocks. Everything is arranged in the boxes, so it's easy for kids to navigate and put it all away when done. It's good to teach children how to maintain order from early age. It helps them to grow into organized and responsible adults. This is a magnetic board that the kids love to decorate based on their mood. Elder siblings sleep on this bunk bed. The whole family enjoys reading, that's why even the kids' room has a lot of books. The most favorite children's books are placed on the shelves. When the children are still young, it's a good idea to keep their books on a display, so they have no trouble finding what they need. The books here are mostly in Russian. Of course, you won't find that in Thailand, so they are brought directly from Russia. The books that didn't fit on the shelves are kept in a wooden box, which is a compact and eco-friendly way to store something. This small table is with a secret. I personally was very surprised to learn what it was. Kids play here with an actual rice. The mother painted it different colors herself. This activity helps to improve children's sensory processing skills and even speech. And this kids' shelf unit also stores toys. The floor is used creatively as well. The boys love to play with cars here. Now let's look at the bedroom. You can see a large armoire on the right side of the wall, and Tatiana is going to show us how she organized it. There aren't a lot of clothes in it because there is only one season in Thailand, which is summer. In addition to that, Tatiana often declutters. The boxes on top contain clothes that the older kids grew out of and some warm sweaters for special occasions. These stacks of clothes belong to Tatiana. The things that are hanging on the bar aren't worn all that often. Next to them you can see a scarf hanger with light scarves. This squared box is for purses. Let's look inside the drawer. Tatiana loves to use tablecloths, that's why she has a lot of them. Under the drawer there is an organizer with underwear. The bags are stored at the very bottom. The other half of the armoire is where you can find towels and the first aid kit, which is kept there so the children can't get to it. Tatiana's and her husband's clothes are hung on the bar. And the pink bag below is where they keep documents. This box contains the things from the wedding, and besides mementos, it also managed to fit in a wedding dress. That is a great example of how to store sentimental things without taking up too much space. Check out this cool tip from the Thais. Technically this is a picnic basket, but you can use it for other things too. For example, for storing bedding. This is a perfect solution for a hot and humid climate because the bedding gets ventilation and doesn't get all sweaty. Tatiana said that when the Thais go to the hospital, they take these baskets with them instead of bags. You can really use them for anything. On the left side of the wall there is a shelf unit and a vanity table with makeup on it. This is how it's organized from the inside. You can find here tools for manicure, pedicure and handicrafts. The diaper changing station is for the baby daughter. This hanging toy organizer often comes in handy while changing the baby. The diapers are taken out of the original packaging and stored in a plastic container. The upper drawer is for the children's medical records and daughter's clothes. And the bottom drawer is for the clothes she'll grow into and some small travel size bags. The parents' bedroom leads to a balcony that has been converted into a baby's room. On one side of the room you can see bookcases, and on the other side a bed and a play table with Legos hidden inside that can be accessed by lifting a tabletop. We finally made it to the ground floor. This is a dresser where the family keeps the clothes that they frequently wear. Notice the door of the dresser. Well, actually it's canvas that functions as a door. It can be rolled all the way up and secured with special hooks. If you don't feel like doing that, you can simply lift it up. The back of this dresser is also made of fabric. Since Tatiana's family is minimalist, the amount of shoes they own is also kept to the minimum. Most of them are stored in this wicker chest of drawer, and some are stored in the dresser we just looked at. This wicker piece of furniture is small, compact and blends in with the overall style of this Thai loft very well. This is the area where the family watches TV, or in this case a projector screen. Next you can see a shelf unit. There is a reason why they went with the open surfaces. Thailand is a hot and humid country, which is a perfect climate for mold to thrive. It ruined a number of cabinets over the years. A unit with open shelves turned out to be the most optimal solution. Everything gets air and ventilation. This is a typical Thai kitchen. The only exception are the slightly raised countertops. It is specially done for foreign tenants. Usually the countertops are much lower in this country. There was nothing under the countertops initially. After a while, Tatiana and her husband decided to install these white frames on wheels with mesh baskets. All the contents are ventilated, plus the lizards and insects don't crawl all over them. Interestingly, Tatiana uses kitchen only to cook soups and cereals. Traditionally in Thailand, everything that needs to be grilled or fried is prepared outside in a special area. That area is behind this window. That is where all the grilling and frying takes place under the canopy. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!